To add an Instagram feed in Webflow, start by navigating to the website and logging in with your email and password. Once logged in, click on the Designer button under the All Sites section, which will take you to the Designer page. From there, click on Add Elements and select Embed, noting that a paid version of Webflow is required for this feature. Next, go to a website that offers embeddable Instagram feeds. Create an account and search for Instagram in the Apps section. Select the Instagram feed option, which is a bestseller, and choose a template that suits your needs, such as a grid, hashtag showcase, or profile widget. Customize the layout as desired. Then click Save to receive a code. This code can then be embedded into your Webflow website by clicking Add Element and selecting Embed, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your Instagram feed into your website.